Side hustles I wish I knew sooner, part 1. This one is for the broken lazy. First, you're going to want to go to amazon.com and then in the search bar, you're going to type journals. You can now see that all of the options for journals are just here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. You can see here that this journal is $8.09 and 30,866 people have purchased this product. So when you multiply this together, you'll see that it's roughly $250,000 in sales that this person has made from uploading this journal. Now I'm going to show you how you can do it. Now you're going to head over to canva.com and set up an account for free. Once you're signed up, you're going to go over here and click Create Design. And in here, we are just going to type in journal. And we're going to select this one right here. Once you get to this page, you're going to come over here and you can see all the different templates and designs. For this example, we are just going to select this one. We're just going to click it and drag it across. So here is your cover page, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click Add Page Below. Then you're just going to go back over here, and when you find a page that you like, you're just going to pick it up and drag it across. It really is that easy, guys. For your journal, let's just say that you want 100 pages of this page. We're just going to go up here and click Duplicate Page, and you're just going to go ahead and click that as many times as you like. Now, once you've finished creating your journal, you're just going to come over here and click Share. You're going to come down here and click Download. Then all you need to do is choose your preferred file type and click Download. We're going to head over to Amazon KDP, and as you'll see, they will print your books for free and you can earn up to 70% royalty on your sales. Now all you have to do is come down here and click Learn How Easy It Is, and as you can see, now you can create your book. The really cool thing about this product is that Amazon is going to print and ship your product for free. You're not going to have to worry about any of that. And if you need a little extra help, you'll see at the bottom of the Amazon KDP page that there's all these little tutorials that will show you exactly how to do it. All that you have to do now is sit back and collect the difference. Follow me for part 2 of Side Hustles I Wish I Knew Sooner.